Hello magical friends, I'm your friend and law of attraction coach Magical Mohit, and today I'm going to talk about how much time does it take for law of attraction to start to work. बहुत लोग मुझे ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं सर हाउ मच टाइम डज इट टेक फॉर लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन टू वर्क बिकॉज आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग फ्रॉम दिस मच टाइम बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग रिजल्ट्स आई एम डूइंग दिस आई एम डूइंग दैट सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई विल शेयर दिस इन डिटेल हाउ मच टाइम डज इट टेक for law of attraction to work and how exactly do you know whether it has started working or not. So watch my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below if you have any doubts, any queries. If you want me to make any videos on different topics on law of attraction, comment below and keep following me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Thank you so much. So let me start with the video. And scientists have proved that people who are doing research on law of attraction, people who are doing research on quantum physics, and all the great writers in the world who have been publishing books on law of attraction from more than hundreds, 200, 300 years, they have been written, they have specifically written this number called 17 seconds. Yes, so it says that a lot of great people and even science has proved that if you focus on a particular thing for 17 seconds, you start to attract it in your life. So yeah, you can try it out. I have already posted videos and I also teach this in my workshops. If you focus on something for 17 seconds, within few minutes or within few hours or within the same day, you will start attracting that thing. And when I say attracting, it's not manifesting. Manifesting means having it in your own life. Attracting means seeing things happening. Like let me give you an example. So when I did this fun activity for the first time, I closed my eyes and I focused on green color cars because मुझे green cars दिखती ही नहीं है ऐसे. So when I focus on green color cars for like just 17 seconds and I just opened my eyes and I just let go. I took that intention for 17 seconds and I was just following my daily routine and I went home for lunch. And you won't believe, but in that that 5 minutes drive from my office to home, I saw around 7 green cars. Yes, and I was like, wow, how is this possible? This green color cars were already there, but I wasn't able to see it. I wasn't able to look at it on day-to-day basis. But when I thought about it, now I am able to see it everywhere. And that is how powerful law of attraction works. So whatever you focus on, it just expands. You start attracting it. But if I have a desire, like if I want to buy a car which is of green color, then the process may take 1 month time period or 15 days time period or maybe 1 year time period, depending on my financial situation, depending on what I am doing, what is my bank balance. So if you want to attract anything through law of attraction, it hardly takes 17 seconds of focus. Law of attraction starts to work in 17 seconds. Always remember that. You start when you focus on something for 17 seconds, you start attracting it in your life, and slowly when you visualize and take positive actions and plan for it, keep your vision board and do all these activities, in few months time periods or maybe in few weeks, you will be able to manifest it in your life as well. So that is how powerful law of attraction is. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and if you really like the video, please comment below, follow me on YouTube and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much guys. Have a super duper magical day and thank you so much.